Side note, I pull up to the place, waiting for a little better lighting conditions, and I see an airplane. Not just any airplane, like a commercial jetliner. Score. I'm well outside the airport's range, but still never fun to see. Guys, check your local laws, check your local listings, check AirMap, check your DJI stuff, whatever drone you fly, check all your stuff. What's happening, guys? Coming back to you from my car. Big surprise, right? Look at the surroundings. But just did another flight today. You ever have one of those days where you just shoot a bunch of footage and you're like, I brought extra batteries, do I fly more so I get more video or photos or whatever, or do I have enough? Today I'm choosing to fly one battery and we'll see how it comes out. You guys let me know down in the comments what you think. Tell me if I got enough footage and if you liked it. Oh, and by the way, I got a lavalier microphone. You can't see it right now, but get my beard in the way. Somewhere down here, I actually have a mic on instead to hopefully get a little bit better audio for me and you. So I don't have to hopefully raise my voice as much. I do anyway. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments.